Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make music sound muffled in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have imported my music as well to this CapCut project, and we're going to make this music sound muffled. So first of all guys, we can click on the music or the audio, then click on the audio again until you find the voice effect. Click on this voice effect, and there are some effects we can use to make our music sound muffled. You can go to the retro category, and here you can use the megaphone effect, lo-fi effect, and also the final effect to make your music sound muffled. And I'm going to try it one by one. So this is for the megaphone effect. Okay, and for the lo-fi. Okay, and this is the final. Okay, and I think the megaphone effect sounds better, so I'm gonna select this one, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our music sound muffled with CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.